Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie, and I'm going to be taking you through a 10-minute yoga flow in a small space. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you don't have much space to practice, hopefully this flow will suit those needs. So when you are ready, coming to your easy seated position, maybe softening or closing the eyes. And just beginning to connect with the breath. Connecting with the inhales and slow exhalations. And when you are ready, we're going to begin to take the palms to the knees. And we're going to begin to take a seated cat-cow. So we're going to tuck the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine. Inhaling, beginning to bring the gaze forward, seated cow. Elbows coming in towards the ribcage. We're going to do that 2 more times, exhaling and tucking. Inhaling and rounding. 1 more time, exhaling into your cat. Inhaling to our cow. And gently coming back to a neutral spine. And begin to take the arms up overhead, coming wide to begin with. And we're going to begin to cactus. So as you exhale, clawing the hands, elbows coming in towards the ribcage. And then we'll begin to take the arms back up overhead. Exhaling cactus. Inhaling up. 1 last time, exhaling and cactusing. And taking the arms up. We're going to begin to take the hands down into the heart space. Pressing the finger pads in towards each other, elbows coming away from the body. We're going to begin to take a gentle twist. So beginning to take that right hand to the left shin, knee or thigh. This left hand can come back near the tailbone, maybe taking a bind. When you're ready, we're going to begin to release that left hand going up towards the sky and then over to the right. Getting that side body stretch in. Listening carefully, we're going to begin to take that left hand over towards that right shin, crossing the arms. And I'm going to tuck and round. As we begin to inhale, lifting the gaze, lifting the crossed arms. And then we're going to come into your eagle arms. So cupping the elbows, hands going in opposite directions, maybe back of the hand, maybe second bind. Elbows coming away from the heart space. And as beginning to release your eagle, taking the arms up overhead. We're going to take our twist. So exhaling, taking your choice, maybe taking a bind. And gently beginning to release, taking that right hand up and over, side stretch. Beginning to release that hand down towards the shin, crossing the arms, tucking and rounding the spine. Inhaling, lifting the gaze, beginning to lift the arms. We're going to come into your eagle. So cupping the elbows, back of the hand, maybe taking the bind. And gently releasing the hands down into our lap. We're just going to begin to circle at the waist, shifting the weight from one sit bone to the other. And going in the opposite direction. And then beginning to come back to that easy seat. We're going to take cradling the baby. So I'm just going to invite you to take that right foot into that left hand, hand on the knee. This might be enough for some. We might begin to take a bit of a digger arm, maybe sole of the foot to the elbow. Just taking any variation. You might begin to rock side to side or making small little circles. We'll begin to come to stillness, gently inviting that shin in towards the chest, shoulders coming away from the ears. 2 rounds of breath here. When ready, we'll gently begin to release that right foot. We're going to take this on the other side. So again, hand to foot, digger, or maybe sole of the foot. Rocking and circling. And slowly coming back to stillness, inviting that shin closer to the chest. Shoulders coming away from the ears. When ready, beginning to release that foot down to the earth. We're going to begin to come into our butterfly legs. So I'm going to invite you to bring the soles of the feet together. You might have a diamond or a triangle shape with the legs. Just ensuring the sit bones are comfortable. Hands along the shins, ankles, or maybe thumbs to the soles of the feet. Bring the pinky edges of the feet together. Long spine. We're going to stay here for a round of breath, lengthening the back. As you exhale, beginning to lead with the chin, hinging at the waist, forward fold. Elbows coming to that space you've made. You might go onto the legs, or you might begin to take them on the outside of the shins. And with every exhale, softening into this fold. When ready, beginning to lift the gaze, lifting the torso. And we're going to begin to circle. And when you're ready, we'll begin to come back to our nice and tidy, our easy seat. Taking the hands to the heart space. We'll take the arms up overhead and then cactusing for one last round. Inhaling the arms up and then slowly back down into the heart space. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for sharing this brief 10-minute flow in a small space. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see future videos, hit subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.